Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary rescind, R-E-S-C-I-N-D, heave, H-E-A-V-E, deft, D-E-F-T, certitude, C-E-R-T-I-T-U-D-E. Ma, these two already we discussed with different words. That means we have taken synonyms of those and again we come back to those words so that you can recollect those words. It will be very much useful for you. Rescind, cancel a law or order. So nullify, if you remember the word, that is what synonym of rescind. Ma, clear? You just go through that one. Rescind, cancel a law or order, to officially end a law, take back a decision or say that agreement is no longer exists. That is what the meaning of rescind. Synonyms: repeal, abrogate. Hope you remember the word annul, right? That day also we discussed when we discussed about nullify. So annul, reverse, recall, overturn. So yesterday or day before yesterday I think we discussed about that word overturn. One more meaning is there, that is cancel a law or order. So overturn, invalidate, nullify, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: introduce, enact, continue, legalize, ratify, permit, allow, uphold, enforce. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we urge the committee to rescind its decision. We urge the committee to rescind its decision. The government finally rescinded the directive. The government finally rescinded the directive. One more example can also be given. Heave, lift. So synonyms here it is been given as heft, which already we have discussed. To move something heavy using a lot of effort, or to throw something forcefully, especially something large and heavy, is what we call it as heave. Synonyms: raise, lift, heft, hurl, tug, pull, haul, fling, sling. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: put down, drop, lower, keep, lessen, destroy, finish, decrease, stop. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he cleared the space, heaving the boxes out of the way. She heaved the sofa back into place. That also can be given as one more example. She picked up a heavy book and heaved at him. She picked up a heavy book and heaved at him. So that also can be given as one more example. Ma, clear? Deft, skillful. A deft action is skillful and often very quick. That is what we call it as deft. Quick and neat in movement. Skillful in a quick, sure and easy way is what we call it as deft. Synonyms: adept, adroit, expert, proficient, ingenious, nimble, dexterous, ability. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: clumsy, slow, incompetent, inept, awkward, ignorant, stupid, unable, unskilled. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Shyam is very deft at handling awkward situations. Shyam is very deft at handling awkward situations. She answered the journalist's questions with a deft touch. She answered the journalist's questions with a deft touch. Next one: certitude, conviction. Certitude, conviction. That is the state of being certain or confident, or a feeling of a absolute sureness or conviction. That is what we call it as certitude. Synonyms: certainty, assurance, sureness, inevitability, positiveness, belief, confidence. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: doubt, distrust, uncertainty, fear. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: management believes with a certitude that Gopal is the best candidate for the job. Management believes with a certitude that Gopal is the best candidate for the job. It is impossible to predict the outcome of the negotiations with any degree of certitude. It is impossible to predict the outcome of the negotiations with any degree of certitude. Ma, hope you are clear. That's end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.